Afternoon, lads. Afternoon, my lord.
Given that this isn't our first venture here, you have clearly developed this railway drastically. But what I want to know is, why are we having this meeting outside?
The weather is nice, and I thought I'd be able to point out a lot more things here to prove points.
Now then, gentlemen, this meeting is regarding the railway and its finances, as usual.
Yes, but we'd also like to cover some other things we've noticed and come across.
I'm sorry?
This railway is one of your many expenditures. This arguably is why this entire line is still afloat, and since you've had multiple extensions with a motley crew of engines running up and down the line.
I'll stop you right there. The railway has been making enough profit to keep itself above water.
But all the same, your lordship, your expenditures are very high right now. The extensions and ventures with the, what's it called? The Mid-Greaton line? The one to New Linmore. That in the last few years have certainly been regaining you money, but it isn't enough to always keep you in the green.
My expenditures have saved me money in several areas.
Now, hang on, Haytham. I'll stop you right there. Gentlemen, neither I mind you that this whole audit is about the railway, not his lordship, his private life, or family, nor his businesses. This is strictly to do with the railway, and any deviation from it, I'll stop the audit right here.
Very well, Mr. Giddeon. Shall we start with the fleet then? Don't you consider it rather big?
All with a purpose and a job. On occasions, we had the exception of selling or scrapping, but in the rare case, some have vanished.
Right. These vanishes, off-the-book sales or scrappings?
Never. All of that is public knowledge, and I'd never do anything such as that. The fleet is fine as is, and will remain the same for as long as possible. Now, I saw you eyeing the documents for our services.
Yes. Two piped our interest. One was the services going to South Wales, meeting up with the famed Wyvern territory. Then it was this Tri-Island thingy.
Lord Sean Yeston has been an amazing friend for the last few years, and I have never been let down by him when it comes to working with him, and I don't see myself stopping that anytime soon. As for the Tri-Island connection, funny you should mention that. Today we've had to extend the service to be 10 carriages in the consist, with some of Mr. Bully's newer stock being hauled by one of our King Arthurs, number 739, King Leo de Grant.
And what purpose does the Tri-Island connection have? Because all we've gathered is that it runs from your metals towards two other islands on this side of the country. Most would think it's to keep a link to...
And that's exactly what it is. A linkage to keep Grayton, Goldhaven, Merleby connected. Given their history throughout the years, the people across our islands connect more than just on the surfaces.
So, what you're saying is that this service is somewhat vital?
Absolutely.
Finally! Time to make up for lost time.
This is my escape. I'm running through this world and I'm not looking back. 'Cause I know I can go where no one's ever gone and I'm not looking back. But how will I know when I get there? And how will I know when to leave? Feels like I'm lost in a dream. I know in my heart it's my time, and I already see the possibilities are never ending. I see it, and now it's all within my reach, and this possibility. I see it now. It's always been inside of me, and now I feel so free in this possibility. I see it, and now it's all within my reach. I see it now. It's always been inside of me. I see it, and now it's all within my reach, and this possibility. I see it now. It's always been inside of me, and now I feel so free in this possibility. In this possibility. In this possibility.
Regained 10 minutes and even arrived just early. I'm not done for yet. Take that, Dudley.
So, overall, we can assume that this service won't be discontinued?
Never. Even if we have to put it on hold, it'll never stop for as long as I live. That service isn't just about bringing in money, but people. From Rymouth to Bournemouth and Weymouth, meeting with Goldhaven and Merleby. It's all about unity, not just with our neighbouring islands, but the rest of the country. And even if we don't reach that goal, I'm still proud of how far we've gotten.
Alright, gentlemen. Seeing as though you've been given a good and compelling argument, the topic of the Tri-Island Connection is not up for debate. The service is popular and used at all times, regardless of viewpoints on it.
Very well, time to move on. Now, the subject that you surely knew would be brought up. The expansion of Elmerson Yards.